Hey guys, welcome back to Aashvi YouTube channel. And today I bought some new ideas, some new tips, and some suggestions for you that you can use to improve your English. But this is a special video for people who are beginner in learning English. So I bought first step for you, and in this step, you have to speak some terms in English. Okay, these terms are very basic terms. Like you can use these terms, you can use these words, and it will help you to increase your confidence. What I'm going to tell you is about some terms that are very basic terms. You can use these terms with Hindi as well, but these terms are important because it will give you the style. It will give you the style to speak English. And second thing, it will give you the confidence. It will increase your confidence and decrease your nervousness. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to use these terms, and these are not too big terms. It's like for first class student, you can say very basic terms, and these words are going to be very good, very great for you all to improve your English. And why I'm saying this, because see, if I'm speaking, or if I really want to speak English but I have some hesitation in speaking English, definitely I will speak my own language, but at least I can use some terms, I can use some specific words in English, and it will definitely help me to speak English better. Like I can speak some basic terms in English, some basic words in English, and these words will allow my confidence to speak more words like this, right? And with the help of these small words, our confidence level will a bit increase, our hesitation will decrease, and because of that, we can speak English. At least we can start English, right? At least we can start speaking English. So the words that I'm going to tell you about, these are like, you can say it's a WhatsApp words, or it's in friendly words. These are not formal words that you are going to use in a formal meeting. And definitely, if you are learning English, if you are willing to speak English, you have to start from your family and friends. I don't think that if you don't know English and you are going to try this thing in front of someone, like in the interview and types of these things, definitely not. I know. So everyone starts their learning these small steps only from their family and friends. So I have some words that you can use in your family, in front of your friends. On number first, I will take yes. Yes is not so fancy word, right? But I have a great replacement for this, and the replacement is yeah. Yeah, and yup is used at the place of yes for someone who wanna say yeah, yes, I will do it like this. Then you can reply it like yeah, I will. Yeah, yeah. Have you done this? Yeah. Are you going to do this? Yeah. So it's a cool word. Start speaking from now this word. I must say it is a fancy, stylish, and small words. It's a short term full sentence. Like yes is a full sentence itself. So just like that, yup is also a full sentence itself. So you can use at the place of yes, yeah. And speak with a bit confidence, okay? Little bit confidence you have to show whenever you are speaking something. And if you're a really beginner, you don't know, you are not speaking a smallest word, then please try these words that I'm going to tell you about in this video. And these words are really amazing, trust me. And if you know English very well but you're not used to speak, then you should try these words. Trust me, it will give you confidence, plus it will give you a style to speak English, and it really put a good impact on your English if you speak English with a bit of style. Our next word is not. Yes, no, not. No and not is oftenly used just like yes, but if you really want to say someone no, that you're not going to do something, or your reply is not, then you can use a simple word now. Just like yap, it is easy to remember that you can use yap and nap. Nap, 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 like this. So on number third is a small sentence, and that is really? Have you heard about this? Definitely, I use it a lot. Actually, in this video, I'm going to tell you about some words which are completely sentence itself. You can use a simple word just like a sentence. Number third, really. Really word is also very oftenly used, and it can be used with Hindi as well, like your own language. You can use really a lot of time. Like if someone wants to, if someone is going to tell you about something different, about something weird, you can say like this, really. And the meaning of really is वास्तव में या फिर सच में. Like this, you can say really. Really is also a good words. I think you should start using this word also. The words I'm telling you are the words that I use a lot in my real life, and that's why I'm telling you to speak those words, because if you start speaking these words, it will be in your habit, and then you can speak some more words like this, because it's obvious thing that you know English, but the problem is you are not speaking English. And when you start speaking these small words, definitely it will increase your confidence, and then it will be in your habit as well, and you start speaking those words that you know but you are not used to speak. Next word is exactly. Exactly is also a word that I use a lot from my childhood. Exactly, we use this word when we want to say someone that suppose a situation where someone is saying you that am I doing this right, or we can say if someone is saying that this is the way we are doing, is this the right way we are doing this, then you can say exactly, it's the right way. So if you're not using the whole line, you can use the simple term exactly in so many situations. Like it is like a surety for something, that if someone is if you want to say someone that yes you are doing right, you can say exactly, exactly the same. Our next word is bravo. Yes, bravo is a normal word that we use when we want to say someone that yes, you're so strong, you have done a great work. Wow, you have done this. Like this, if you want to say someone, you can say bravo. Wow, like this. This is the style we have to say this word. Suppose a situation where a small kid is doing a work which is very tough for him, okay, and he's trying, then you can motivate him by saying bravo. And just like that, it will apply for the elders, for the young ones also, like for the youngers, that if someone in front of you, if your friend also is trying for something great, if he's doing some tough work, then you can compliment him like this, that bravo, you have done a good work, bravo, like this. Okay, so my next word is gotcha. Gotcha is a short form of got you. Yes, the situation can become when you want, if you find someone's fault, if you catch someone in any situation that is not suitable, like okay, that is not right. If you are catching someone, if you are finding someone's fault, if you saw something unusual in any person, you can say like this, yay, gotcha. So this is also a stylish word and a short form of got you. I got you. I have got you. So you can say a small word, gotcha. So these are some words that you can use oftenly. I think these are very nice and small and sweet words. Please use these words in your daily life. Don't speak English like Hindi. Always try to speak English with their original accent. Okay? There's no shame about this thing. You have to always allow yourself to speak any language, whatever you are learning, in their original form. Okay? There's no shame about this. Don't even think about the people are going to tell you about this thing if you are speaking any language in a proper form. Okay, don't think about them. Start speaking from today. I hope you like this video. Then please do subscribe Aashvi Thinks YouTube channel. You can also follow me on my other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I hope you like this video. Then please comment below that what you think about this video. Is this helpful for you, or you already knew about these words? And also please give it a big thumbs up if you really like it, and if you didn't like it, then you can also give it a thumbs down. So that's all for today's video. See you soon in the next video.